Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to Groovy Lava Squirrel Medic in this video. Firecrackers from Inferno Candy Co. This was uploaded about a year ago. And I'm still gonna react to it. I haven't reacted to it yet, but I am going to now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Hey guys, how's it going? Groovy Lava Squirrel Medic here. I'm here with little Mad Monkey Devin, and today we're continuing on with going through our Inferno Candy Company products. And today we're going to be doing the Firecrackers. And I've seen other videos review this. I think I saw Brian Ames do it. You know, there's a bunch of, it looked just like those little cheese peanut butter square crackers that you have in those little 6-pack, and I'm super excited because I think these are going to be a little bit spicier than the ones we did yesterday for those nuclear nuts. So you want to read the ingredients for me?
The ingredients are cheddar cheese, butter, flour, peanut, Carolina Reaper, and scorpion feathers. Sea salt and vinegar.
So my question is the, I know it's got the crackers, I know it's got the peanut butter, but did they make the crackers so the crackers are spicy, or did they add it to the peanut butter?
Or the cheese.
Well, the cheese is the crackers. It's in the crackers.
Ew.
Go ahead, crack it open.
That is a good question now.
Violence.
What? It's violence. But this is appropriate for all ages.
It is. That's why. Look at that.
My.
Sorry about that, everybody. A relative of mine was doing something on Facebook. Let me take care of this and I'll be right back. A relative of mine was reacting to something I posted on Facebook. Sorry about that, everybody. I wasn't expecting that to pop up. That notification to pop up like that. My apologies. I'm sorry, everybody. Let's get back to the video, though.
Comes in a package. You got some peanut butter and some crackers.
Smell it.
Oh, we can't smell anything yet. Still.
Smell it.
Oh, that's just the peanut butter being squished in there.
Oh my.
Double bagged.
Double bag.
I'm nervous.
Whoa.
Oh, you kind of don't want to do it? Oh, we're going to do it.
Oh God.
Oh, no.
Oops.
I should have had a knife out.
I'll go.
No, it's alright. I got it. I'm just gonna tear. What does it smell like?
Don't drip it on the table.
Smell.
Ugh.
Smells like peanut butter crackers. She over-exaggerates. Just a little bit.
I don't.
Alright, so. It's just a little peanut butter cracker sandwich. Do you want me to break it in half so you don't have a whole one?
Yes. Yes, please.
I guess we can
Split one.
split one at first.
There's already shit on your fingers.
Look at that. Split it diagonally.
I want this. Remind me to wash my hands after this.
Yes, please wash your hands after this. Oh, you want me to remind you after the video is over?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Hey, wash your hands after this. So, are you ready?
Hold on, everyone. I'll be I was gonna say I'll be right back, but I had to sneeze really bad. I'm still trying to get over my cold. Sorry about that, everybody. Let's get back to the video.
Yes.
Are you nervous? I'm actually kind of nervous because it smells just like a regular peanut butter cracker, but Inferno Candy Company has been known to pull some quick ones on us.
If this one is so spicy, can I spit it out? Or do I have to spit it out?
You don't have... I'm not forcing you to eat anything you don't want to eat.
I know, I'm scared of this.
I am scared too. So you ready?
It makes me feel like a tiny baby.
Hold on, everyone. I gotta take care of something. I'll be right back. Sorry, I had to blow my nose. I didn't have to blow it before, but I did a moment ago. Sorry about that, everybody. Sorry, everybody. Let's get back to the video.
Tiny man. Get up in your chair, Rod. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's good. The cheese and the cheese crackers comes right out. Oh, you don't want it? Cool. I'll eat it out. And that peanut butter. It's got a little kick to it. But so it starts out with the cheese crackers. And then you just taste normal peanut butter. It's crazy. And it wasn't until, got my nose running a little bit. So you finish with the cheese cracker, you hit the peanut butter, and then after the peanut butter is already coated your tongue, what are you doing? Sit down. People come to watch you review, not me. They don't care about what I say. So the peanut butter coats your tongue, and then after it's coated, that's when it says, oh, here we go, Scorpion Reaper. Right off the bat after the peanut butter coats your tongue. But it tastes so good. Oh my god. Inferno Candy Company, that is an amazing product. Hey, don't forget to wash your hands. So, what'd you think?
I think that the spice was in the peanut butter.
Spice is in the peanut butter? I think so too. I think the spice is in the peanut butter.
Oh.
What did you think about the flavor? What did you think? What did you think?
I think that the flavor kind of sneaks up on you a bit.
Mm-hmm.
It's like, hello, and then,
Here, just so you can say in the camera. Is it hot?
Sorry, I had to crack my neck. Sorry, everyone.
yes.
So on a scale of 0 to 10. Now remember, you put the nuclear nuts yesterday at a 5 or a 6. What would you rate this on a scale of 0 to 10?
Yes, I know. I spilled all over the table.
So you would rate it what? An 8? An 8 out of 10. See that Inferno Candy Company? It was so hot, so spicy, it made her spit out her water all over the table.
Whoa.
Now you set.
Oh my god.
Yep, she's gonna clean it up. So would you say mission accomplished?
Mission accomplished. I'm gonna die.
Alright, so Inferno Candy Company. Great job on their Firecrackers, cheese and peanut butter crackers. I highly recommend.
Excuse me, I burped a little bit. Sorry about that, everybody. I didn't mean for that to happen. I'm sorry. Let's get back to the video.
Everybody go get it. Heck, It might make you spit up all over the table. We never know. Don't forget to wash your hands. But from Groovy Lava Squirrel Medic and my little man monkey Devin, you all have a good one. We'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up. I hit the camera by accident. Sorry about that, everybody. This screen here, I accidentally hit it. Sorry about that, everybody. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my channel or Groovy Lava Squirrel Medic's channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both their videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell and let you guys know when we both post, and share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. And on my channel, we are on the road to 5,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlist. Give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends and family members too, please, everybody. Please, everybody, please. Please, everybody, please. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.